Welcome to Lumify Learn's Certificate 3 in Information Technology. This entry-level course is your first step into the dynamic world of IT. Our flexible 100% online course is designed to seamlessly fit into your life. You will work through 12 units across 3 streams: systems support, user environments, and basic cybersecurity and development. With up to 12 months to complete the course, you will have the flexibility to study whenever it suits you best. At Lumify Learn, our expert trainers provide personalised, one-on-one support to help you stay on track and build confidence in your skills. Whether you're starting out, changing careers, or upskilling, our trainers will help you make the most of your learning. Through Lumify Edge, you'll have access to exclusive career opportunities, connecting you with industry recruiters and offering internships to get real-world experience in your new field. And when you're ready to step into the workforce, you'll be prepared for roles like ICT technician, help desk support, and ICT support officer. Your future begins today. Let's get started.